Hello, in this guide we are going to be looking at how to install and use Forex indicators, custom indicators, Forex signal software and Forex system. So all of this we are going to be looking at one after the other. Forex indicators, that is the indicators that come with the MT4 platform. Then custom indicators, these are the indicators that we added even to the MT4 platform. Then we have signal software that always generates signal. Then we have Forex system, a guide that one will follow even to trade Forex. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 things we are going to be discussing in this guide. Let's go. So now we have the platform. This is MetaTrader 4 platform. So going to be the first thing in those indicators that come with this MetaTrader 4, you can find them here. These are the indicators that you can find here, and we have many of them here that people use to develop strategy, to develop system. Some people even use it for signal software. Some put them together for a system they use in trading. So the common one that people normally that people are used to are the moving average. We have the simple moving average and the exponential moving average. Then we have what we call stochastic. So we have it here. People use it a lot. Moving average oscillation. Then we have stochastic somewhere here. Yes, good. Stochastic oscillation, a lot of people use them. We have relative strength index, we have MACD, moving average conversion and diversion, convergent and divergent. So we have all of them here. Anyone you can use them, develop strategy on them. Let me just give us a strategy that is a good strategy around moving average. Is moving average 5, don't press it 5 exponential this time around. Then you click it, or you will see it there. It's on 50. The strategy on 50-minute charts. Then you go for another moving average 20. Let me make this one red. Let me make it blue. You can always change all of these things to make it. Then the third one is moving average 50. Still come here again, moving average, just put 50 here, 50. Then change this one again. What should we change it to? Let's make it green. Okay, good. So this is a strategy. This is just like a strategy that whenever the moving average 5 crosses blue, which is 20, and both of them are over 50, then you look for opportunity to take a buy. Look at it here. Just look good. See, this is red crossing blue, and both of them at this place are over. So at this place, any moment here you can take a buy. Maybe after this you just take your buy here and you move forward. So this strategy is a strategy. The same thing goes with sell. Anytime you see this red crossing this blue and both of them are over this green, this is a 50, they are over. At this moment you can take a sell. Look at how it crashed down. The same thing goes anytime you see the red has crossed blue and both of them, ensure that both of them are over this green. Then at this place you see market going up. The same thing going, look at this place. At this place you see red crossing blue and both of them at this place are over green. Then you see how the market crashed down. So it's a simple strategy, moving average, simple strategy that is profitable. So we have many, you can go around it. You have MACD. Some people have a Bollinger Band strategy. Let me just give it, remove. You can always go here. You can remove this like this. You can even come to property and change the look of this. You can change the look of your buy here. So maybe you want the bar up. This is bar up, bull candle. This is the candle. Bull candle are always green. You can make it green. The bar up also, you can make it the same color so that it can be thick and like this. So this is how they do this. If you don't know before, if you now want the down one to be red, you will just make your bear candle to be complete red, and this one too, you make it red. So at the end of the day, you have something like, maybe you have been seeing a chart that look like this, how it's being done. So you can just right click like this, come to indicator and remove all this indicator one after the other. If you want to put another one, sorry, you want to put another one, you can just remove, because I want to put another one now. I just want to look at Bollinger Bands. You can come down here, Bollinger Band with relative strength index, another strategy, which those are the two strategies I'm going to really give us. So Bollinger, you always see them here. Most of the ones that I've touched are the one that you find here. So you can come down here and just click on Bollinger Bands. You can leave it the way it is. So you see, so then you come down here, relative strength, you can find it here, but you can still come down here and okay, it is relative strength interest is here. Look at it here. So good to go. Look at it now. Relative strength index, you have it up, you have it 30 and 70. Then this strategy also go with stochastic is here. Anytime you see the market crossing, you feel it also here. If for stochastic, now anytime you see this blue crossing this red and they are above this line, which is 80 line, and cross down, you will also be seeing the same effect going up. See, this is upper Bollinger, this is like a resistance, this is a support, this is upper Bollinger. So if you see this happening at the upper Bollinger and you see this thing happening also, the market will definitely move back into the Bollinger Bands. So that is a strategy, a stochastic with Bollinger Band. So you can have many strategy that you can put together on these indicators. So you can come around and play around with them. You can even go, get any of them and play around. Before you know, you start getting what you can really be using as your strategy in trading. So these are where you find the indicators, and these are some of, you have a lot of them here and here. There have been times we have seriously been using Williams percentage range. If you look at this one too, you see it has a range. This is the highest, this is the lowest. This is anything here is overbought, you'll be looking for how you sell. Anything here is oversold, looking for how the market will move up. So any strategy you can form, you can put 1, 2, 3 indicators together to form a strategy you can be using to trade. So that is, by the way, concerning the the normal indicator that come with the platform. I want us to go into some other indicators we call custom indicators. I'm going to just be using this is a custom indicator. It's an indicator we're going to copy and put inside indicator folder, and we'll now use it on the platform. It doesn't really come with the platform. We call it support and resistance. By the time I put this on the chart now, you see that it will be giving you area of support, area of resistance, which you can now develop a strategy. You can use them as a point of coming out of trade. When you are placing a buy, you might be targeting the next resistance to come out of, you take your profit. And when you are placing a sell, you can be looking at the next support to take your profit. So this now we can copy this is a custom indicator. We have a lot of them, but I'm just using this as example. You can copy it and now go to the broker. You move down to file. This is very important, we need to take note of it. This, go to file, you go to open data folder, then you go to MQL4, then you now go to indicator folder. you paste it, right click and paste. So you find it here. So you have now pasted your custom indicator into indicator folder. How do I go about it? Let me repeat it again. I copied the indicator and I came to file, I came to open data folder, came to MQL4, I now came to indicator folder and I pasted it here. So that is how you paste it. Then when you come down, just come to where you have indicator, come to where you have indicator here and just right click and click refresh. By the time you refresh, you will just see that the indicator I pasted will have been here. So how do we use? Let's just try and push it on the chart so that you see how to push it on the charts. Let me just see. Okay, open another chart. You can quickly right click this, push this and make it like this so that you can easily be able to see. So as it is now, we find it and you double click it. Three ways you can use: you can drag and push on this chart, you can double click it to come, you can also right click and click attach to charts. You'll find it here. So what do you need to do? You don't need much to do here. Everything has been customized by the programmer. So what you don't need to do here is just to click OK. So now this is our custom indicator. We brought it into this chart and we brought it for a purpose. So these are resistance supports. You could see them that they are support points. These are support points, these are resistance points, you could see it, and this is another resistance point. So when you are placing your trade, you can just be targeting those points so that you know how to come out or how to where to even put your stop loss. When you are placing a buy now, you are placing a buy around here, you can put your stop loss around somewhere here, because the market might likely want to come back. The market may not, you put a little below. When you are placing a stop loss, it will be a little below the support, because the market is might likely want to turn back from a support point. So that is, by the way, concerning custom. You can add different custom indicator. You want them to do anything, you push them to indicator and you find them here, you attach them to your system. So let's go back. Now we'll be going to Signal software. Signal software are a set of indicators, custom indicators that you can put together with the templates to attach them to do something for you. You get it now? So now we're having to set all of these things. See, we have the guide, you have the template, you have the indicator. So you just go pick all what the indicator to, you go and paste it to indicator folder. So I just right click them, copy them, go back to where we went to the other time, go to your file, open data folder, MQL4, indicator, and I paste them here. We want to put our signal software that will be generating signal for us. It will be telling us buy, sell, it will be giving us arrow. So all of these things are what we are going to use to be able to get that one done. So after doing that, what do you do next? You go back again, you will see there that we still have templates. So you pick these templates and copy it. So after copying it, go back to this page, file, open data folder, then you come to templates here, click on templates and paste. See, I pasted the templates. So what do I need to do? I'll just come down here. Where is my indicator again? I come here, I right click, I refresh to bring those things I have put inside the platform to make them to come alive here. So all of them are scattered here. So how do I now make them to come here? I don't need to be pasting them one after the other, because I now have what we call templates. That template will bring everything. Let's say I just come down here, I open this. What I would just need to do to go and do is to come down here. I will definitely see this beast super signal. When I click on it like this, you will see it coming forth. So all of what I put there, what is this one telling me? Look at it. This is one of our very good signal software. What is it telling me? You will just see this arrow coming down here. You will see an alert. Bam! It will show forth. If you want that thing to, if I bring it to 1 now, 1 minute, the alarm will quickly come up. So it will alert you. Majorly I trade this on 1 hour, so that I just want the alert to come out. Either there might be alert before we finish what we are doing. So what do we normally do? We just allow the alert to comfort. You make sure you are closer to your system, so that when the alert sounds, you can always come around and follow what the instruction that have been given. So I brought it back to 1 hour. So now you see this one. Now if I take a buy here, look at how the market has gone up. So it will sound it will make an alert that will give you, that will let you know when to come around. Imagine when sell came here, look at how it just moved down. So when buy came up here, look at how it moved down. So it's one of our major signal software. This is what we call signal software. We have about 2 or 3 of these kind of good ones, because there are many rubbish everywhere. So this is what we call signal software, and this is how to set it up. You copy the indicator to indicator folder, you copy the template to template folder, and you now have this. So the last one we'll be looking at is what we call system, FS system. Forex system, we always have what we call Forex system. Forex system is a combination of strategy with indicator that gives you what exactly you should do. So let's come down here, go back coming down here. So this is the one we want to use now. This is what we call Belly FS system. It's a system. So when you come down here, you see all of this. So every one that you see, all of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are going to indicator folder. There will always be a manual that follow things like this. So you could just follow guide, read through the guide. So this now, I'm going to copy them and go to where we went to the other time. Go to open data folder, MQL for indicators. I will just paste them. Now that I pasted them, what is the next thing? I will still go back again. You could see that we still have this is the template. So I'll just copy this template, copy it, then come down here and go to data folder again. Then this is template. I paste it here. So now I'm having, so when I come down here and refresh again, all of what I put there will reflect. So with this now, let me just open another. With this now, what you will do is just to come down here and click on Bell FS system. This is a system. Look at how it looks. So you see the way it looks. Now what is this one telling us? There are different conditions that need to be met before you can say you want to place a trade. Are you getting it? So if we go through the manual is saying that you must have something like this, so when you are, and this thing must be outside the normal. This is just like a Bollinger Bands. When it crosses this line and all of this thing is fulfilled, then it's saying you should take a buy. Are you getting it? So when it gets to this line and some information, some condition are fulfilled, you take a sell. Like this one now, you don't take this sell. Because the condition are not already fulfilled. So when we talk about a system is a combination of many things added together that all of the conditions will be met. Then you now take a decision. So it is a combination, is a forest, combination of tools that you follow them, all of those, that there are some conditions that need to be met before you take an action. So this is like a forex system. So now in this guide I've been able to explain to us, the forex indicators that come with the platform, and how you can use them. Then you will talk about the forex custom indicators. A lot of them, I just use that support and resistance. You can add it to your strategy. Then you have the signal software that gives you buy and sell, giving you alerts. Then you also have forex system. So work around them. These are just knowledge you need to know about them. Many of these things we have, which if you desire to get them, you can contact us on our website on www.smarttraders.com.ng. Thank you and have a nice time.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our great video. Check the description below for more information. Like, share this video and also drop your comment below.